Hi, my name is Jackson Kibler, and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meeting. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we will cover top N filters in Tableau. So we are looking at the Superstore workbook on the product dashboard, and it's showing profitability versus for months against the various product categories, against the different segments. And on the bottom, we can actually see the different products sketched out across their categories and subcategories. But what if we actually expand this to the individual products themselves? We can kind of see this is a mess here. So what if we wanted just to show the top, say, 10 products by the profit ratio? So we can hop on over to the sheet and we can control grab, which duplicates the field, product name over to the filter shelf, navigate over to top. I want to say top 10 by profit ratio, and then click it. And so now we are seeing the top 10 actual products by the profit ratio regardless of their category and subcategory. Now navigating over to the sheet, we can see the same thing here. But one caveat is when we click on, say, the region filter East, we see that there's no longer the same 10 in here. It's doing the filter before region, so now we're only looking at about 8 different products. So what we can do is we can tell Tableau to run the region filter first and then calculate the top 10. And the way we do that is to right-click the filter and add it to context. And now it will filter for region first and then take the top 10 from that section. So once again, all, central, and now we're always seeing the top 10 for the different regions. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching.